Hello friends, welcome to Definition Hub. In this Google Sheet tutorial video, we will learn how to check if a cell contains formula or value. So let's start. In this example, we have created a simple employee data with salary details. Here total salary is sum of basic salary, house rent allowance, daily allowance, and travel allowance. Here we will add a conditional formatting in such a way that cells with formula should highlight with green, and without formula should highlight with red. For this, let's select the salary column. Go to Format menu. Click Conditional Formatting. Under Format Rules drop-down, select Custom Formula is. In the text box area, type equals this formula. And in brackets specify the data range. In this example it is F2 to F8. In the color option, select the green color. We are done with first rule. Now let's do it for cells without formula. Click Add another rule. In the formula text box area, just add equals false. In the color option, select the red color. Click Done. You can see all the cells under salary column are highlighted as green, because all cells are currently having formula. For explanation, let's manually change salary of Amitabh, and make it $50,000. 50,000. You can see the cell color has changed to red. Thanks for watching this video.